Hey, how's it going? So I got 4 boxes of 2012 Panini Playoff Prime Cuts. Decided to pick these up. I was in Vegas again, went by Legacy Sports Cards, and they had these on the shelf. There was actually 5 boxes, which is an inner case, or one of the mini cases or something. I think there's 3 5-boxers per master case. Kind of regret not buying that last box because they were decently priced. And, you know, I did say I wanted to kind of try for one before, but they were all already out of the case, like up on the shelf, separated. So I don't even know if these are from the same case. I didn't ask, but yeah, we'll see what we get here. Still like some Panini Playoff Prime Cuts. Looking for my box cutter. Do like these still, now that they're way more affordable. The only problem is the redemptions are expired. So I'm taking a little risk here, and I keep hearing from multiple people that Panini still accepts expired redemptions, but I haven't tried it myself yet. And if there's anything like triple threads, I usually get a few redemptions, and I have gotten some redemptions before for Panini products, and they're pretty quick at it. So we'll see. Here's box number 1. There's 2 cards per box. Tried some more of these in the past, and I do like them. I like 2011 the most. These ones are a little more risky just because there's 2 cards. Let's see what we got on top here. Oh, redemption. Damn. Alright, we'll see if this works. Ooh! Notable nicknames, Mariano Rivera. Sweet. Right off the bat. Good one. Now I hope it is past this time. I hope they still accept it. We'll see. And behind that, oh, let's see what we got here. Nelson Cruz relic. His notable nicknames, I think, are numbered to 49. Alright, well, I'm going to try and enter that in tonight, see if I get rejected right away, or whatever. And if I get rejected, I'll call it in. So it's 43 of 99. A little bummed I got redemption. That's the risk I'm taking. That's why I think these have gotten so cheap recently. I mean, it makes sense. So, here we go. Box number 2. So far, already a nice hit, as long as I hit up Panini ASAP. Panini has been the best so far at redemptions, if you compare them to Topps. Topps has gotten a lot better recently, but Panini actually fulfills their redemptions most of the time. Well, every time I've done it. Pack number 2. I can get it open. This one feels a little thicker, so it might be a 3-hitter. So we got a Jonathan Crawford, USA. Is that 3 hits or just a big one? It might be just a big one. Nope, we got 3 hits. So we got a Jonathan Crawford auto. Let's see what the next one is. Nolan. Ho! That is beauty. That is a beautiful card. Very nice patch there. Number 34. The numbering on the Jonathan Crawford, 146, 199. Wow. Already happy I got these boxes now. I mean, with that and this Mariano redemption, if it gets fulfilled. And the card behind that, Century. Ah, Tim Lincecum relic. I was hoping Century was something a little older. That Nolan Ryan. See the numbering. 2 of 25. Nice. That's a great card. Very happy with that. Box number 3. feels pretty light. Let's see what we got here. Pack number 3. Ooh, nice Robin Yount retired numbers, and this one's autoed. Dang, I wish the other one was autoed. Another nasty patch. That is sick. Wow. 3 great boxes so far. Behind that, Mike Trout. Game used jersey, and it's even like a little dirty down there. Dirty Trout. Dirty Trout is 78 of 99. And the Yount is 10 of 10. Another beautiful card there. Alright, let's go last box. This one is bound to be a stinker. Oh, by the way, I have to mention, my fiance actually ended up buying me a box, and it is this one. We marked it right there with Sharpie. She ended up picking this one first before I bought the other boxes. So let's see what we got here. It feels a little heavy. Here we go. Pack number 4. Last one. 3 awesome boxes so far. Oh wow. Lloyd Wayner, Legendary Bats. That's really nice. One more card there. Wow, that's a sweet card. Lloyd Wayner. And behind that, Nick Hagedorn. Don't know who that is. 36 of 149. Lloyd Wayner. 28 of 99. Wow. 4 solid boxes. I really like this. Wow. Got a Mariano Rivera. Notable nicknames. Redemption, which I hope they will take. Got a nice Robin Yount. Really nice Robin Yount auto patch. It's number 10, 10 of 10. Nice game used Mike Trout jersey. A little dirty there. A bit dirty. Sick Nolan Ryan patch. Wish it was the autoed version, but can't complain. That one's number 2. It's number 1. No, number 2 of 25. Got Linscomb relic. Don't know about the numbering. Jonathan Crawford. And a Nelson Cruz. So, very happy with these 4 boxes. Thanks for watching this 4 box break. 2012 Panini Playoff Prime Cuts. Catch y'all later. Peace.